Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun. Once again I am back with another video of mine, but before starting the video I request you all, those who come and watch my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications of more video. So now let's start with today's video. In this video we will be learning some magical words. Okay, I have some magical words over here for you all, and we will learn that how to use these magical words. First we will see these magical words. First one is please. First magical word is please. Next we have sorry. Our next magical word is sorry. Next is thank you, welcome, and the last one is excuse me. So these are the 5 magical words that we will learn today, okay, and how to use them. First is please, sorry, thank you, welcome, and excuse me. These are the 5 magical words we will be learning today and how to use them. So the first magical word that we'll learn is please. Now please is used when you need something, if you want something and you want to request it to other, so then you use please. For example, at school, when you are in school, you don't have any pencil or sharpener, whatever, and you want to borrow it from your friends, so then you'll say please give me a pencil or please give me an eraser, right? So in that case you use please. Or at home, if you need something from your mother, you need any rough notebook, you need chocolate, you need anything, so you will say please mother give me this, or please mother give me that. So in that case we use please. When you want something and you request for something to someone, then you say please. Okay. Next magical word is sorry. Now we say sorry when we do something wrong or we do any mistake. So to apologize for that mistake, we say sorry. For example, if you do anything wrong at home or in school, okay, or you do anything with your wrong with your friends, so you say sorry when you apologize for your mistake. You realize your mistake, that yes, you have done anything wrong. In that case, you say sorry. Next word is thank you. For example, children, you all celebrate your birthdays, right? You all get gifts also. When someone gives you gifts, what you say to them? Thank you. You say thank you to them, right? So thank you. You say thank you when someone gives you something, and in return you say thank you to them for giving you that thing. So thank you, you say when someone gives you something. In return you say thank you to them. Next is welcome. Now welcome and thank you, they both are related to each other. Welcome, we say welcome when someone says you thank you. In return you say welcome to them. For example, I told you for thank you, same example for welcome also. In, like, for example, in your birthday, someone gives you gift, okay, you say thank you to them, and in return they will give you a reply welcome. Okay, so the reply of thank you is welcome. When someone says you thank you, in return you will say welcome to them. Okay, children. And welcome, one more thing, welcome is used for when someone comes to your home, you say welcome, please come in. So in that case, welcome is also used, okay, and in this way also. The last magical word is excuse me. Okay, now excuse me, firstly, you say excuse me when you sneeze. This is a good habit. You must all know that whenever you sneeze, you must say excuse me. And the other place where you can use excuse me is when you interrupt anyone, right? For example, your friends are standing in a garden, you say, and they all are talking, and you also wants to talk to them. You'll go there and you will say excuse me, and then you will talk to them. Okay, you will not directly go and just start talking with them. You will go, you will say excuse me, and then you will talk to them. Okay, or for example, when any party is going on at your home and your mother is busy there with the guest, okay, and you want to tell her something, you want something from her, in that case also you will go to her, you will say, excuse me mom, and then you will proceed further whatever you want, or whatever you want to say. Okay, so excuse me is used when you are interrupting someone and you want to talk to them. You use excuse me and then you say whatever you want to say. And excuse me, you also say excuse me when you want to sneeze. Okay, when you sneeze, after that you say excuse me. So these are the 5 magical words, okay, which are important that you must know and you must use them in your daily lives. I hope you all learnt these magical words and how to use them. If you all like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications, and like, share and comment on my video. Thank you all.